How to earn while you sleep. Ever dreamed of waking up richer without extra effort? We'll spill the secrets to setting up income streams that work while you sleep like a baby. From apps to websites, explore foolproof ways to generate cash flow around the clock. Building an online business. The internet has opened a world of possibilities for entrepreneurs to create income streams requiring little ongoing effort. E-commerce enables the selling of physical products globally through online storefronts. All-in-one platforms like Shopify simplify building an attractive, functional web storefront while handling secure payments and order processing. Owners focus on affiliate product sourcing, photography, and marketing to attract continual buyer traffic. Another route involves producing and distributing digital content. E-books, online video courses, and stock photography represent examples. Udemy and Creative Market offer user-friendly avenues, showcasing and monetizing such virtual creations through one-time purchase downloads. Once files are uploaded, revenue flows indefinitely without further input. Niche expertise or skills transform into profit potential at scale. Affiliate marketing taps into the spending of others by curating and promoting affiliate product lists. Websites like Amazon Associates and ClickBank provide access to thousands of merchant offerings paired with tracking links. Earners build blogs and social followings around recommendation themes before sprinkling targeted links. Commissions issued for every resulting sale incur zero carrying costs. Combining revenue streams like selling one's e-products alongside affiliate promotions amplifies income diversification within a single online venture. Automation software automates repetitive tasks, freeing even more time for development. With early efforts identifying market demand and spreading content, digital businesses generate ongoing earnings around the clock through global audiences. Investment costs commonly involve a little beyond web hosting and creativity. Rental income can derive from diverse real estate strategies with the right oversight. Traditional door-to-door rent collecting remains viable for small-scale residential landlords. However, today, various technology-enabled real estate income platforms exist, minimizing active management obligations. Vacation rental hosting websites like Airbnb flourish internationally. Homeowners residing near tourism hotspots need simply furnish properties and list available dates through the platform. Travelers book directly, while the company handles payments and customer service in the owner's stead. High-demand destinations potentially yield substantial nightly rates, especially throughout the summer seasons. For larger-scale or geographically remote assets, third-party property managers assume leasing, maintenance, and tenant relations responsibilities on the owner's behalf. This proven system generates consistent cash flow with limited physical involvement beyond initial property selection and management company vetting. Commercial properties also accommodate income production, renting retail or office spaces to small businesses under long-term, triple-net leases. Tenants cover building insurance, taxes, and repair costs through expense reimbursements in addition to base rents. Diversifying across residential, tourism, and commercial sectors mitigates industry-specific risk while realizing real estate's coveted ability to earn passively. Professional oversight remains key for hands-free participation, whichever rental avenue pursuants choose. Dividend investing. Dividend investing allows generating income from stock holdings through periodic dividend payments. Rather than selling shares, shareholders are paid a portion of company profits directly. By researching companies demonstrating reliable long-term dividend histories, investors stand to benefit from regular payouts. When starting, assess multiple sectors to identify suitable dividend growth candidates. Study financial statements together with a company's capital allocation strategy, providing insight into future dividend-paying ability. A special focus on business model stability across market cycles proves important for ongoing profit-sharing participation promises. A balanced portfolio spread across 20-30 holdings lessens risk stemming from any single company. Group positions further into industry-diversified baskets, lowering volatility. Recession-resilient consumer staples, utilities, and telecom typically feature higher yields compared to overall market averages during downturns, as essential goods demand remains. Many firms offer dividend reinvestment plans, automatically purchasing additional shares with distributions, This compound returns exponentially over decades as each new fractional stock receives future payouts too. Compounded gains vastly outweigh single annual payouts alone given time. Regular dividend income streams form a solid foundation for various financial goals. Mature portfolios provide growing income inflation hedges for supplementary cash flow needs or emergencies later in life. Broad market exchange-traded funds allow simpler, diversified dividend strategies requiring minimal effort beyond initial research and annual rebalancing. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms offer individuals a way to earn interest from loans in their spare time. The first step is choosing a reputable P2P lending site that matches lenders with borrowers seeking loans directly. Large established platforms like Lending Club or Prosper are an ideal starting point for P2P lending. Once registered on a platform, lenders can browse potential borrowers and propose said loan details. Carefully assessing each borrower's credit profile and proposed interest rate allows for evaluating risk versus returns. Generally, higher-risk borrowers with imperfect credit may feature higher rates, but naturally higher default probability as well. Diversification is key to minimizing risk. Most P2P lending platforms empower small-sum investments spread across many borrowers. For example, investing $25 in each of 40 loans results in $1,000 earned across many debtors. Should one borrower default, only a small percentage is lost. Through diversification in this way, lenders can earn attractive blended returns monthly while offsetting default risk inherent to any lending vehicle. Automated loan payments flow back to the lender's chosen account. The process runs with minimal ongoing effort aside from optionally adjusting strategy over time. For those seeking passive income channels requiring limited active management, P2P lending opens access to higher earning opportunities than traditional savings accounts. Creating and selling digital assets. Digital options exist for earning ongoing money without constant effort. Stock photography allows selling photos on sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, earning royalties on every purchase. Another is stock video content, raw footage, animations, or video templates sold through VideoHive and Pond5. Mobile app development presents monetization potential through in-app purchases, ads, or subscriptions. With a knack for visuals, photographers can build a stock portfolio for ongoing licensing sales. Videographers can capitalize on various commercial video content needs. Apps can fulfill different uses from gaming to productivity. All three require upfront work creating the assets and then setup on the relevant platforms. Ongoing sales generate passive income without further effort. Regular uploading expands available catalogs over time, increasing chances of appearing in search results and discovery. High-quality, on-trend content aligns with customer demand. This readies digital creations to earn residuals long into the future, like royalty collections continuing years after initial releases. For visual or technical creatives, these avenues activate talents for building profitable online marketplaces with each new asset. Building an investment portfolio. Building a diversified investment portfolio is crucial for long-term wealth accumulation. To achieve this, there are several key considerations to keep in mind. First and foremost, it's important to define your investment goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your investments, whether it's retirement planning, wealth preservation, or funding a specific goal. Having clear objectives will help guide your investment decisions and keep you focused on your desired outcomes. Asset allocation is another vital aspect of portfolio diversification. It involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and cash. The right asset allocation for you will depend on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Generally, a more conservative investor may allocate a higher percentage of their portfolio to bonds and cash, while a more aggressive investor may have a larger allocation to stocks and commodities. Consistently making regular contributions to your investment portfolio is key. Whether it's through a retirement account like a 401k or an individual brokerage account, investing a portion of your income regularly can help grow your wealth over time. A critical aspect of portfolio management is periodically reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio. Market fluctuations can cause the value of different assets to deviate from your desired allocation. Rebalancing involves selling overperforming assets and buying underperforming ones to bring your portfolio back in line with your targets. This process ensures that you maintain your desired level of diversification and manage risk effectively. Creating and monetizing a YouTube channel. Last but not least, building a profitable YouTube channel takes dedication but can create lasting passive income if done strategically. The first step is choosing a niche you are truly passionate about so your viewers can sense your authentic enthusiasm. Research popular and emerging topics to identify areas not overly saturated. Once your niche is chosen, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content through regular uploading. Invest in professional production equipment like cameras, microphones, and lighting to capture viewers' attention. Learn video and audio editing techniques to craft polished, search-optimized videos kept between 7-14 minutes. Optimize metadata, titles, descriptions, and transcripts with relevant keywords to boost search and discovery. Consistency is key to growing an audience. Develop a schedule of 2-3 well-produced videos per week and stick to it religiously. Monitor analytics to refine your format over time based on viewer habits. Promote new uploads across your social media profiles and leverage hashtags to reach related communities. Collaborating with other popular YouTube channels in your niche exposes your content to a new potential subscriber base when included in their videos. As your channel develops, focus on viewer engagement through comment moderation and live streaming to foster interaction and loyalty. This strengthens your relationship with subscribers, which positively impacts watch time and metrics rewarded by the platform algorithms over months of consistent uploads. Once surpassing the threshold of 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers, you can apply for YouTube's partner program to monetize your videos with ads. Look also into other revenue streams such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, digital products, live video courses, and merchandise connected to your niche. With dedication to providing high-quality, valuable content on a consistent schedule, YouTube presents opportunities to earn generous passive income for years to come through an engaged, loyal audience. Focus on the viewer's experience above all else for long-term channel prosperity. Hope you're feeling inspired to start stuffing your pillow with profits. Show us some love by mashing that like, join our passive income posse, and share these sleepy money moves with all your well-rested friends. Sweet dreams of dollar bills.